When I think about specific areas where we achieved great success, the first was predominantly around the whiteboard presentation. If you've worked with DSG, hopefully you understand the importance of whiteboard. But as you can imagine, we had a very diverse workforce and sales organization where not everybody was entirely enthusiastic about the idea of getting in front of a room, navigating a discussion while documenting it on dry erase board. Matter of fact, we had some folks that were very enthusiastic. We had others that we had to drag them along reluctantly. 75 days later, we were in a national sales meeting, and what was originally a reluctant participant volunteered to deliver a whiteboard presentation to our president, our chief revenue officer, and everybody in the room. That transformation was really indicative of the power that confidence, preparation, using the tools that are available can have on an individual who's been a professional salesperson for many, many years.
One of the biggest things that I've seen in this whole process is when I've been out in the field, I stand in the back of the room. And as one of the team members is up there doing a whiteboard session, I love to take the picture of everybody in the room looking at the whiteboard. And I love those pictures. And what it's done is after those meetings, talking to the client, and the client's coming to us and saying, that was really great. You know what? Everyone else comes here and just shows up and throws up. Your guys came here and it was a dialogue, it was a conversation, and it really honed in on what we're trying to achieve.